It's your girl Jazzy's Too Fresh. I'm back with another video. Today I'm in Sam's Club on this snowy day. We are still trapped in the snow, but I had to come to the store to get a few things. Hopefully you guys can hear me, but I'm in here today because I needed water and a few other essentials. Not very many people in here. I'll flip the camera so you guys can see in just a second what is going on. And I actually enjoy being in the store with nobody here. Usually it's so packed, but today, baby, it's like old times again, where there's not so many people in here shopping. I really like that. Like I was saying, there's not that many people in the store today. Not that many people at all. Okay. That looks good, y'all. I'm gonna get some food. This looks good. Low carb. Biscuits. Not a part of my life though. Alright, y'all. It's starting to get a little busy here now. They don't have any bread in the store. So it's getting kind of crazy. All I came here really for is just water. Basically. My cart is so heavy, I can't even move the cart. What I'm doing. I'm gonna have to call y'all back. I can't push my cart. This is what my cart is looking like today. This is what I got. I always show y'all what I buy, so yeah. So I'm about to leave the store now. I think I'm about done shopping. My cart is so heavy. They don't have milk. They don't have anything. So yeah, I'm about to close out this video. I guess I want to thank you guys for watching. I want to keep you guys updated on this snow apocalypse. We still don't have power, but every few minutes. Thank you for, like I was saying, just updating you guys on the snow apocalypse that we're going through. Until next time, I'll see you guys later. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you later.